Chapter 3 Tom's Parrot. Words to learn. Parrot does mango. Green again find. Polly goes packs. Calls takes two. This is Tom. Tom has a parrot. The parrot is green. Can you see Tom's parrot? It is sitting in a tree. Tom calls his parrot, Polly, Polly, come. Here, Polly. The parrot does not come. Tom calls again. Polly, come here. Polly says, Tom. The parrot does not come. Tom calls again. Polly, come here, he says. The parrot does not come. Tom goes to his mom. Can I have a mango? Mom says Tom. Yes, Tom, says Tom's mom. Tom goes to find Polly. Polly is sitting in the tree. Tom calls the parrot again. Polly, Polly, come here, says Tom. The parrot sees the mango. The parrot comes to Tom. The parrot pecks the mango. Tom is happy. Polly the parrot is happy too. Nicholas Hirschberg. Read aloud. These words you read aloud. Three. Polly. Parrot. Again. Tree. Green. Free. 3. Keep. Meat. Polly. Lolly. Molly. Parrot. Carrot. Sorry. Again. Pain. Rain. You can see the similar words. Double E. Double E. Double E. Double E. Double E. Double E. Double L. Double L. Double L. Double R. Double R. Double R. AI. 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 Answer the following. Where does the parrot sit? Parrot sit on the tree. You can see the questions and you can write the answers. Imagine what else Tom can do to call the parrot to him. You imagined, okay? And then give answer. Write on in your books. Find a word in the story that sounds like next, packs, falls, calls, carrot, parrot, hot, not, me, he, tree, nappy, happy. Which of these might you find on a plant? I find plant, a leaf, a carrot, no, not a carrot. Tooth, not a tooth. Flower, yes, I find a flower. Fruit, no, I not find a fruit. Stone, no, I not find a stone. I just find leaf and flower on a plant.
Hello everyone. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, comment, like and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you.